The Bible talks about more than one heaven. And so I was asked to explain the difference between the heavens. And I'll start out with Hebrews 4, verse 14, where it says that Jesus passed through the heavens, which is plural. So there must be more than one heaven, right? And in 2 Corinthians 12:2, it says that Paul was caught up to the third heaven. If Jesus passes through the heavens and Paul is caught up to the third heaven, there must be a first and a second heaven. If we dig a little bit deeper into Scripture, Scripture interprets Scripture and gives us an explanation of the three heavens. Now, the first heaven is the face of the earth and that which we can see. It's called the open heaven. It's about 20 miles and it's called the troposphere. This is where in Genesis 6:7 it says that man resides and that the beast reside, the creepy thing, and where the birds fly. When we get past this troposphere, we enter into the stratosphere, which is the starry heaven. It includes the celestial sun, moon, and stars. But once we get beyond that, the outer space, into what Deuteronomy 10:14 calls the heaven of heavens, where we cannot see, it is beyond which is visible from the earth. This is the realm, the heavenly realm, where that spiritual warfare takes place, talked about in Ephesians 6:15. Now, the third heaven, beyond that, is referred to in 2 Corinthians as paradise. This is the throne room of God's glory. This is where God lives. It's a spiritual place. It's beyond this physical realm. The throne room of God's glory is far above. It's far above all principality and might and power, above dominion and every name that is named. In Ephesians 1:21 and 22, it says that all things are put under his feet. This area here is where the throne room, where the universe is run from, right? 1 Kings 8:27 says that God cannot be contained in a geographical location. Now, this third heaven we get a glimpse of it in scriptures, right? When it's opened up to John in Revelation 4, where it's opened up to Isaiah in Isaiah 6, to Daniel in Daniel 7, and to Ezekiel in Ezekiel 1. The study of this throne room is just magnificent. So I encourage you to read the scriptures there. But I hope this helps explain the different levels of heaven. The first heaven, the open heaven, what we can see, where we live, where the birds fly. The second, starry heaven, which includes the sun, moon, and stars, but beyond that which we can see. And the third heaven, where God resides.